To be. SEIN. In previous lessons, we learned how to say I am, ich bin, you are, informal, du bist, he is, ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist, and that is, das ist. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to ask the question, is that? Again, to say that is, you would say, das ist. If you want to ask the question, you must simply reverse the word order, as you know already. So, to say is that, ist das. So, verb first, then das. Ist das. Is that? Ist das? Is that? Ist das? Is that? Ist das? Okay, let's add big, which is groß. So if you want to ask the question, is that big? Ist das groß? Ist das groß? Is that big? Ist das groß? Okay, so recall your vocabulary here. To be is sein. Is that? Ist das? Big? Groß? Small? Klein? Good? Gut? Bad? Schlecht? Funny? Komisch? So now you can put it all together. You know how to say, is that big? Ist das groß? How about, is that small? Ist das klein? Is that good? Ist das gut? Is that bad? Ist das schlecht? Is that funny? Ist das komisch? And there you have it. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bis bald.